Hello everyone, this is CS Divesh Goel, practicing company secretary from Delhi. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the provisions and process of issue of the bonus share in company. So for the bonus share, the provision of bonus share is covered under section 63 of the Companies Act, read with Rule 14 of Companies Share Capital and Debenture Rule 2014. So if you want to issue the bonus share, you have to comply with this section and the rules. So before going to discuss the provisions of the bonus issue, there are some conditions to issue the bonus share. Condition number 1, article must contain the provisions for the issue of the bonus share. So whenever a company is going to issue bonus share, first of all that company have to check whether there is any provisions in the article of association in regarding issue of bonus shares. If there is no provision in article of association, then in the first step company have to alter the article of association and include the provision of issue of bonus share. Condition number 2, company should not have defaulted in payment of interest or principal in respect of fixed deposit and other security. So company should not have made any default in payment of interest of the fixed deposit. These two conditions company have to check whenever a company is going to issue the bonus share. Some other things, some other checkpoints before going to issue the bonus share. First of all, we have to check whether the company is having sufficient authorized share capital to issue the bonus share. Because if a company is not having sufficient authorized share capital, so before going for the bonus issue of share, company first have to increase its authorized share capital while following the process of increasing authorized share capital. Then company have to check whether there is any partly paid up shares in the company or not. If there is no partly paid up share in the company, no issue. But if there are partly paid up share in the company, then company have to first make them fully paid up share, then only company can go for the bonus issue of share. Otherwise company cannot go for the bonus issue of shares. So whenever we talk about the bonus issue of share, the first question came in mind, out of which fund bonus issue of shares can be given. So bonus issue of share can be given by out of free reserves, out of security premium account, and out of capital redemption reserves. So these are the three funds out of which bonus issue can be given. But bonus issue cannot be given out of two type of funds. Number 1, out of revaluation of asset fund. Number 2, in lieu of dividend of the company. So whenever we are going for the bonus issue of share, we have to keep in mind these conditions and these sources of funds. Now let's discuss the process of issue of bonus share. The first step in the process of issue of bonus share is calling of the board meeting. Company will call a board meeting as per section 173 and as per Secretarial Standard 1 issued by the Institute of Company Secretary of India. In that board meeting, company will pass a resolution for bonus issue of shares. In that board meeting, company will pass a resolution for calling of extraordinary general meeting of the company. In next step, company will issue the notice of general meeting as per provisions of the Companies Act. In very next step, company will hold an extraordinary general meeting of the members of the company. In that general meeting, company will pass an ordinary resolution for the bonus issue of shares. In next step, company have to call a board meeting again for the allotment of shares. So in that board meeting, company will pass a resolution for allotment of shares to the person, to the existing shareholder as a bonus issue of share. After passing of the board resolution, within 30 days of the passing of board resolution, company is required to file E-Form PS3 with the ROC. In that E-Form PS3, company will attach copy of ordinary resolution, copy of board resolution, list of allottees. So all these documents are required to attach in PS4. Once in the PS3, once the PS3 is filed with the ROC, the share capital of the company shall be increased in the record of the registrar of company. After filing of PS3, company can issue the share certificates to the shareholder as a bonus issue of shares. Our complete write-up on the bonus issue of share has already been published on our blog, that is www.csdiveshgoel.info. Thank you so much.